Hey everybody, my name is Brian Markowski, and so I'm going to be talking about targeting EDM dances/festivals to limit opioid use. On March 28th, an article regarding opioid use at electronic dance music festivals, or EDM festivals, was published on neurosciencenews.com. The research for this article was conducted by New York University, or NYU. As many people already know, the United States has seen significant opioid use increases in the past couple of years. This amplifies the importance of this research because it could potentially help limit this trend. According to this study, about 1 in 10 EDM party/festival attendees have misused opioids in the past year. This number is significantly higher than the national average of opioid misuse in the past year, which is 4%. And that is for people with the ages of between 18 and 40. OxyContin was the most popular opioid out of the 18 listed opioids in the survey that was given for this study. The study also focused on the willingness of participants to misuse opioids in the future. According to the study, 5.7% of non-users said they would take opioids if their friend offered it to them, while nearly 75% of current opioid users said they would engage in future opioid use. The connection between EDM concerts and club drugs such as ecstasy or Molly have already been shown. However, the relationship between EDM events and opioid drug use remains fairly unknown. One reason why determining this relationship is important is because of the recent outbreak of opioid use in the United States, as previously mentioned. Another reason why this relationship is important is because previous research has indicated a possible connection between non-medical prescription opioid use and the initiation of heroin use in the future. The primary research article used for this news piece mentioned one specific study that collected data from nightclubs in Miami. I thought the news article did a good job at capturing the information from the primary research article without fluffing it up with exaggerations and aggressive adjectives. I thought the news article took away the main findings from the primary research and emphasized the importance of the study. My one main issue from the news article is that I believe it left out some key information. For example, NYU's study suggested that whites were more likely to use several different opioids compared to other races. Also, EDM attendees with a college degree were less likely to be currently taking opioids. I think this information could help narrow the target of future preventative measures. Also, the primary research article listed several key limitations that were not mentioned in this news article. These limitations were that people could have been afraid that their answers were not confidential, and also that participants could have been inebriated at the time of the survey, even if it was not visible. Making these limitations known to the public would help alleviate some feelings of deceptions to the skeptic readers. I believe this research can be connected with neuroscience and law because these findings can guide future actions on the crisis of illegal opioid use. For example, more intense screening at EDM concerts could potentially help reduce opioid use. Thank you.